Good to see you all again here at Wealthy Coins. Overnight, Shibarium escalates Shiba Inu currency to $15. Shib updates. In terms of market longevity, the Shiba Inu breed has been around the longest. Meme coins market share has grown to almost 40% since 2023. On the other hand, Shiba Inu is a fantastic choice for investors since it controls a large chunk of the Bitcoin market. There are some Shiba Inu whales who are unsure about where to buy and sell Shiba Inu coins because of these price hikes. In 2023, numerous establishments started accepting Shiba Inu as payment due to its increasing popularity. Is Shibarium responsible for the overnight $15 price drop of Shiba Inu coin? We'll discuss it in this video. The latest on SHIB. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. With a daily trading volume of $300 million, the Shiba Inu price has surged 50% from its December low. The market capitalization of Shiba Inu is $6.8 billion, reflecting the increase in both volume and price. As of right present, the meme coin ranks as the 13th biggest cryptocurrency. Out of a total of 589 billion, 549 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are now in circulation. For staking reasons, smart contracts have locked other Shiba tokens. The Shiba Inu has long been beloved by crypto whales or extremely wealthy crypto holders. Data from the largest 1,000 Ethereum whales on Friday shows that Shiba Inu is among the top 10 smart contracts in terms of usage. The plot thickens when we learn that the top 100 Ethereum whales used Shiba Inu smart contracts in just one day. Also, a wealthy whale has transferred a massive quantity of Shiba tokens, which could be a sign that the new protocol Shibarium is about to be released. The investor transferred well over 3 trillion Shiba to, which is almost $38 million according to data supplied by WhaleAlert, a company that tracks whale transactions in the cryptocurrency market. Even though it went to another unknown wallet, the funds didn't really leave an unknown wallet. Curiously, a couple of days previously, the wallet got about the same amount of Fortnite tokens from an anonymous wallet that had no balance whatsoever. The Shiba Inu price, according to Etherscan data, is currently moving inside a downward trend channel. When Shiba's January high was 0.00001292 USD, it took a hit after the rejection. The 200-day exponential moving average caps movement at $0.001181, and the coin has retreated to trade at $0.00001149. Based on the data provided by the Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator, the current technical outlook appears to be negative. It would be preferable to initiate short positions in the Shiba Inu price if the blue MACD line crosses below the red signal line, indicating a sell signal, even though this pullback could be transitory. If the downward trend does not reverse by Monday, Shiba Inu may have no choice but to take cover at the support level of the trend channel's lower border, or alternatively, the buyer congestion at $0.0001. When the 50-day exponential moving average crosses over the 100-day EMA, traders can confidently maintain their long holdings. Although this pattern does not quite like a golden cross, it does indicate that Shiba Inu's upward momentum is here to stay, at least for the upcoming sessions and maybe even days. Consequently, bulls simply need to provide a small push to the Shiba Inu price in order to overcome two important obstacles: the 200-day exponential moving average EMA and the upper limit of the trend channel. Discovered that the door to gains eyeing $0.001520 and $0.00018, Shiba Inu's November peak would be flung open if there was a clear break and hold above this chart pattern. A strong buyer congestion zone at $0.00011 USD is highlighted by the IO map model from Into the Block, lending credence to the optimistic thesis. Nearby 20.5K addresses that bought 100.6 trillion Shiba to are likely to support a rise in the Shiba Inu price. Among all Shiba tokens, at least 137.37 trillion are now valued, which accounts for around 69.65% of the protocol's entire supply. Approximately 53.54 trillion Shiba Inu, or 27.15% of the total supply, consists of tokens that are not currently in circulation. In order to reach the break-even point, 3.20% of the total supply, or 6.32 trillion tokens, are needed. Unrealized profit tokens for Shiba Inu outnumber unrealized loss tokens and break-even tokens put together. This demonstrates that investors are more interested in supporting a price increase for Shiba Inu than selling the token, particularly given the impending launch of the Shibarium protocol. The Shiba Inu fandom known as the Shiba Inu army is rejoicing at the announcement that Atomic Wallet will be providing early assistance. As a result of Atomic Wallet's action, the new protocol would be accessible to over 3 million users worldwide the moment it debuted. On January 16, the Shiba Inu ecosystem's core developers informed investors that the Shibarium beta is almost ready for launch. The group was adamant, nevertheless, that its attention be directed toward developing and releasing the Layer 2 protocol in a responsible manner. The community has been advised to refrain from inquiring about the launch date, but fear not, for the endgame is in sight. Multiple platforms are interested in integrating the meme token after seeing its success. Market Street, there is no way to reassure customers that companies take forms of payment other than cash. Without a doubt, the moment has come for cryptocurrency. Using cryptocurrency for purchases is fantastic. You can now use the Shiba Inu coin to pay for groceries too. You can pay your Shiba Inu with any of the popular and user-friendly payment apps out there. Here at GameStop, the Shiba Inu is now a legitimate form of payment at GameStop. The partnership between Shiba Inu token and GameStop will greatly benefit the token's marketing and value. Among the many famous American stores that have begun accepting Shiba Inu tokens as payment is Nordstrom. In December 2021, a number of payment apps announced that users could add Shiba Inu coin to their app purchases, making the transaction as simple as Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Walmart for pets, customers may stock up on pet food at Petco. Pets of all kinds fall under this umbrella, including dogs, cats, birds, and many more. You can also buy little creatures that are still alive. Petco also provides veterinarian care and dog training. The app can be downloaded by those who possess Android and iPhones. The American Cancer Society published this. The American Cancer Society has made it their goal to end cancer worldwide. To make this a reality, it conducts research. Because research in this field is going to take a long, it pays for patients' care so they can get therapy. It gets funding because it needs it, so that everyone can take part in this great effort. It now accepts Shiba Inu as payment, so anyone with a Shiba Inu can use it to make a deposit. Dear HostKey, Hosting Key provides web services such as private cloud solutions. Aside from growing GPU servers, it also provides reliable physical servers built to order. A server for it is situated in either the Netherlands or the US. Shiba Inus are welcome as payment at this web service provider, the APMX company. Customers can buy and sell precious metals through this store or through APMX, a US-based organization, so it can be considered an online store. This company, which has been around since 2000, is based out of Oklahoma, USA. Among the establishments that welcome Shiba Inu, it is included. Its software is available for download on both the Apple Store and the Play Store. Colorado, USA is home to Sling's corporate headquarters. In 2015, it all began. Sling TV allows users to watch live TV online. One can also watch live performances with its help, but you can only get these services if you're in the US. Its attractiveness is demonstrated by the fact that it currently has nearly 2.5 million users. Additionally, it is among the establishments that welcome Shiba